How to turn on or turn off animation on UC browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off animation on UC browser easy and fast. All what you have to do is simple. Just go to UC browser. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on those three lines. Now click on the settings option and go to the second option here. Click on browsing settings. Now scroll down until you find the animation option, and right here you can turn off or turn on animation easily and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.